Hello, young chefs, and welcome to the Around the World Cooking Show. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to explore the vibrant flavors and cultures of different countries. Our first stop is the beautiful country of Italy. Italy, known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and of course, mouth-watering pasta dishes. Today, we're going to learn how to make a classic Italian dish, spaghetti alla marinara. But before we start cooking, let's learn a bit about Italy's geography and culture. Did you know that Italy is shaped like a boot? And each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions. From pizza in Naples to risotto in Milan, there's something delicious to discover in every corner of Italy. Now let's get cooking. First, we'll sauté some garlic and onions to create a flavorful base for our marinara sauce. Then, we'll add fresh tomatoes, herbs, and a pinch of salt to simmer into a rich and savory sauce. Did you know that pasta has been a staple of Italian cuisine for centuries? It's believed that Marco Polo introduced pasta to Italy after his travels to China in the 13th century. Delicious. Cooking is not just about making food, it's about connecting with different cultures and traditions. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Join us next time as we venture to another exciting destination on our culinary adventure. Until then, happy cooking and bon appetit!